Okay. Okay, I'll ask for that. You were absent from an important event held by the company you work for. Write a letter to your manager. Apologize for your absence and explain the reasoning. Then explain why you had to be at the other event. Explain what you will do to catch up. Dear Mr. Keith, I'm writing this letter to apologize for my absence on an urgent business meeting that was organized by you last week. Okay, good. Firstly, I'm recognizing the importance of meeting as it was very important for the economic growth of company and the networking of my team. However, on the same day my mother had an invasive spine surgery, so I was in hospital to take care of her. Good. While surgery is not a big issue, but some people will take some time to recover from it, so my mother wants to me to stay with her. Wait,
Wants to me.
wants me like 1 2 is extra, right?
Okay. Yeah.
It will be like, so my mother wants me to stay with her.
Stay with her. Yeah.
Moreover, wait, this is another one, right? No, this is the same one. Moreover, I am the only child of my mother, so no one else for her in the house. See, can you see this? So no one else for her in the house. Therefore, I spent my last week with my mother. That is why I am unable
Okay.
to present myself at the prominent meeting. Wait.
No one else in her house, so I was with my mother, and that's why I'm able to spend. Okay.
Like just this read this phrase, so one
Yeah,
else.
it's repetition of words like yeah.
Yes.
So my mother wants me to stay with her.
You can say like you are already saying like, so my mother wants me to stay with her.
Yeah.
Moreover, I'm the only child of my mother, so no one else. Therefore, I spent my last week with my mother. That is why I'm unable to present myself at the prominent meeting. Okay, word choice is good for the meeting. If you can kind of, I would say, just a second. If you can combine this thing without repetition from moreover to this into a single line, it would be better. Like,
Okay.
you kind of club the whole concept, because otherwise all of the thing is repeating again the same and the same
Yeah.
thing.
Okay.
In the next week, I will try to discuss with other colleagues and find out the important things to catch up in next few days. Thanks for your time. I hope you will understand my problem. I look forward to hearing from you. Yours sincerely, Peter. Okay. One thing I would say, like, you kind of ask for the whole week somewhere. Like, you are saying
Yeah.
that I'm gonna be absent for the whole week, and you also mentioned the
Yes.
last week you were also there with your mother.
Yeah.
So if you can somehow make it for a single day, because the letter is not asking for like, you are not nowhere asking for a weeks off, right? Like
Okay.
there's a full last week off that I can see, and the next week off, so it is kind of creating like some hurdles in the story. So you keep it
Okay.
straight, like, just I had to be there, and you might say that it was a small surgery. So, but
Okay.
doctors insisted of the presence of a family member, so I had to be there. And
Okay.
like by the evening, my mother will discharge. So tomorrow I'll be again catch up with everything or something.
Okay.
You got my point, right? Like, let us keep it for
Yeah.
one day because it's just one meeting that you missed.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
it looks like the last week you kind of disclosing to your boss, the last week I was not there, the next week also I'm not going to be there.
I just thought that it is a important event, so it's for a long days, like it's for 2 to 3 days, so that's why I use the Like for whole
Or you
week.
you might say like it was a marriage of might be your brother, like
Yeah.
it's a marriage ceremony function. So you can keep 1 or 2
Okay.
days, just don't mention weeks then, I would say.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Sure. Understood.
Okay, I have a similar business meeting, miss, but it's not an event there. It is just you have to give a reason. I'll show you the concept. Just wait for a second. I
Okay.
can erase this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, see this one. It's almost a similar thing. Write a letter to your boss apologizing for a recent meeting you missed at work. So you need to
Okay.
apologize for missing the meeting, and then you need to explain what happened and say what you will do to compensate. So a little more on compensation also, you can pick up lines, and for the matter also. Okay,
Okay.
see how they're doing. Dear Mr. Dermond, I'm writing to apologize for the meeting I missed on October 20th about the development plans for the company. So you can cook up the topic of the meeting also.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the introduction. Now you need to apologize for missing the meeting. Am sincerely sorry for not being able to attend this meeting. I'm aware of the importance of the meeting, but unfortunately, my absence was unavoidable. Now the point over here is explain what happened. So there is no event thing. So you can give any small excuse. The reason for not
Okay.
attending this meeting was that I had a car accident on the way to the work that day. Although the accident was not serious, I was taken to hospital for a checkup and not allowed to leave until I had been given the all clear from a doctor.
Okay.
Okay, then we have the last one, say what you will do to compensate. It's like I understand how crucial this meeting was, and therefore I have asked one of my colleagues, Sandra Brown, to review the meeting with me after work today. We will go over all the development plans and also people's roles and responsibilities. By the end of day, I'll be up to speed with all the plans. So this is good one, like about the
Yeah.
compensation. While the matter is good here, so I hope you will
Okay.
forgive my absence and be assured of my commitment to this company and its future. Yours sincerely, Richard Brolin.
Okay.
Okay with that, right? So it's almost a
Yeah.
similar concept, just a slight tweak is there, the event is not there, but still you can take up the matter, you can take up the ideas from this one.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, let me get the. Okay, you can see my screen back again.
Yeah.
No, we did it. Okay, this one is from the yesterday one, right?
Yeah.
Why this is open? Okay. The development of tourism contributed. Okay, yeah. I remember the question. Owing to the revolutionizing, owing to the. Okay, now see, when you're using owing to, no need for comma, okay? It's,
Okay.
yeah. It's not a adverbial, like, usually the ones which are adverbs, they get a comma. Adverbs means that are adding something to the meaning of the verb. Usually you can
Okay.
identify with the ly. Okay, so if it is like consequently, then ly it is
Okay.
there in the end. You're going to put a comma after that. Okay, so whatever
Okay.
connectors are the adverbial connectors, you need to have a comma after that. But owing to is not adverbial connector. Okay.
Okay.
So owing to the revolutionizing in tourism industry, okay, T needs not to be big. Can you see the tourism over here? The
Yeah.
T is small, so this T also needs to be small.
Okay.
tourism is generally to increase in popularity of English. Now, why English is big? Because it is a name of something, right? Like
Yeah.
English is a name
Yeah.
of language. So even if it was Hindi over here, or even if it was French over here, then also the F or H will be big.
Okay.
Globally, whereas few individuals assume that having one language in the world can become threat for other languages. In my opinion, I believe there are positive points for having a one language. Can you see the repetition here? Like it is like a also here and one also here. So a and one
Okay.
means one and the same thing.
Having one language. Okay.
Yes, but the negative impact cannot be denied as well. Okay, you remember yesterday it is something like while there are positive points that is okay, that then again saying the negative points it looks like the essay is about a positive negative essay. You got it? Like
Okay.
if I'm not having the question with
Yeah.
me, for me it will assume I'll assume like it is a, because in IELTS there's already a type with positive negative things. So I would say like try and avoid this. You can go with
Okay.
something like instead of positive points you can say plus points.
Plus points. Yeah.
And then you are going with a negative thing, but instead you can go with something that is there in the paragraph. You can say
Disadvantages or
there could be detrimental impact.
detrimental impact. Okay.
Wait, you are using but also but over here. You remember like in yesterday class I told you not to use but. You can go with however, nevertheless or something, right? And when you are
Okay.
using while then but will not come. See, while already means the sentence is going to be in two parts. Okay, while and although, like although there are positive points, comma, there will be negative points also. Or while there are positive points, comma, there will be negative points also. So while and although means that you are not going to use but there. If you are using but
Okay.
or however, then while will not come in the starting. Okay, so whenever you
Okay.
are using a while, although, or even though in the starting of a sentence, no need for
Okay.
anything, simply put a comma and then negate the sentence. Okay, like go opposite to the sentence. While
Okay.
already means that you are going to write a sentence that is having two parts. One side in the
Okay.
might be positive, another in the negative, or one side in the favor, another side in not favor, like that.
Okay.
Okay, then you can write something like there could be detrimental impact to something and something.
Okay.
Okay, on the one hand, mm, try avoiding this chart. Like on the one hand, one thing
Okay.
it's a very pretty common chart. Second thing, examiner will not understand like what is a one hand side. Like
Okay.
you can use for the second, like if there are two things in the essay, like I always give example, like if there is about individuals and society. So if you are starting the first paragraph saying to commence with individuals, okay, or to begin with individuals, so examiner will understand this paragraph is about individuals. Now if you are starting the second paragraph and saying on the other hand, now I know that on the other hand means society, right? But when you are saying
Okay.
on the one hand and then you are not telling what is the one hand side,
Okay.
you got my point, right? So
Yeah.
on the you are going to talk over here about English and you are going to tell the advantages of English, right? So in the very
Yes.
first line, the one part I made it read, in this part you need to clarify that to the examiner.
Okay.
Okay, like it should not be like this that I read almost half of the paragraph, then I come to know, oh okay, it is about advantages. Then it means
Okay.
like it's a failure on our part to organize it good way.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll
Yeah.
give you a kind of a format. You can try and follow it so that you can be up to with the things. So definitely it's not a format from the IELTS guys, but it's a
Okay.
format that is tried and tested over the years.
Okay.
Okay, and it fits in maximum of the, like, I won't give you like you have to write this line or something. I'll just give you the tweaks that okay, if you arrange your essay like this, it could go for the maximum output. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I'm just keeping on the one side as it is for now, and I'll
Okay.
tell you what to
Okay.
do after this. Okay.
Okay.
One language is beneficial for economic growth. Now, over here, when I say one language, I would like to ask which language. So instead of one, English
Okay.
language, or like the only language or something, or English as the only language. Like
Okay.
you need to write something like English as the only language
Okay.
is
English
beneficial
is
for economic growth of countries. Okay, then people can easily communicate and understand to each other. Understand, you can simply say understand each other,
okay.
and it will help them to start business on global basis. Now see, you are just talking about communicating and understanding, right? And suddenly you
Yeah.
talked about economic growth also. So try avoid having your two ideas in a single one.
Okay.
First you talk about communication and understand, explain the point like how communication and understanding will improve, and then you come on the
Okay.
second point about business growth on global basis, and then you talk about how English can help in that.
Okay.
You got my point, like right, like there
Yes.
are two
I have
beautiful
to discuss like
ideas.
one by one.
Yes. Moreover, if people can speak in one language, it will help them to share their ideas and promote learning as well. Now, this is about communication and understanding, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
this thing can go
It
for
will go
communicate
there.
and understand, yes.
Yes.
For example, as a positive viewpoint, English language is spoken by all individuals around the world. It will help to eliminate the barriers for all countries and flourish the trade globally. Now, this is about the trade, right? So, this
Yeah.
will go with the second one.
Yeah.
You got it, right?
Yes. Yes.
Just take a screenshot.
I have to discuss the two ideas
Yes,
differently, right?
you
Okay.
have to make it different.
Yes.
Okay, can I go next?
Yeah.
Wait.
Sir, I have a question.
Yep.
Like, it's a necessity to put example in each paragraph?
No, not like that.
Okay.
Like it is totally your choice. Like if you are getting an example in your mind, you can do that. And if you feel like there is no need or you are not able to make a good example, so no need for an
Okay.
example. Like there is no hard and fast rule in any of the IELTS things. It is not written that yes, you need to have an example.
Okay.
You need to support it. So support can be with or without example. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
forcibly adding an example and making the whole essay that was good a bad one. So I feel like if example you're not able to make up, then just go
Yeah.
for something like else and supporting it with other details.
Okay.
Okay, let us see the second one. In contrast, the negative effects of possess our one language. Wait, this is wrong here. One thing, remember, and one means the same thing, right?
Yeah.
And possess word is somewhere I feel it should not come because then the line is making sense. The negative effects of one language is it will become the cause of disappearance of other languages and cultures of other country along with it. It led to the decline in tourism industry. Again, see, can you see that? Like you
Yeah.
kind of talked about the cultures, and then you also talked about the tourism. The two
Yes.
separate ideas that could have been beautifully brought up, but they are kind of
Yeah.
muggled up in a single line, and then it's like going wrong. One common language put
Okay.
negative impact on the mindset of generation as no one want to learn about, and this O will be big, right? Like one, this is starting of a sentence.
No one. Okay. Yeah. One common language.
Yes. And the culture because everything seems like same as many can only depend on wealth of now see this point this one common will go with the culture and this as
Yeah.
many countries will go with the tourism, right? People do not
Yes, sir.
travel from one to another country and it will automatically decline the growth of nation. To conclude,
Yeah.
having one language is pivotal for better understanding and economic growth. However, there are some losing culture and tourism. Again, T will be small here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this one is good. Okay. Conclusion is okay with you. Wait,
Okay.
can I erase this? I really wanna make you see the like how you can make it into a better format.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen back again?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is something I typed for a student, but I kept it handy that any other student could benefit. So see, paraphrasing and thesis. Now you understand, right? Like what is paraphrasing, and then you have to just do the thesis.
Yes, this is
So that
statement.
forms the
Yeah.
introduction. Then you will start like you can write to commence with, to initiate with, to begin with, or you can have like pertaining to like these type of startings you can have, but then you will mention
Okay.
what about you are going to write. Okay,
Okay.
like to commence with, English is the only language, then there are obvious benefits of it. So examiner will understand
Yes.
you are going to talk about English and you are going to tell the benefits of it. Then you can write one evident benefit, one evident reason, or like firstly. So that is your choice, like how you want to go. You can
Okay.
write like one evident, and then there could be reason, there could be benefit. Okay, so these are all the fits that you can do instead of firstly, and then you will write the
Okay.
statement of idea like might be it improves understanding and
Yeah.
communication. Then you write in other words and you explain it. Okay, like
Okay.
how understanding is increasing. Then you can write as an illustration. Now you can write an example if you want, or you can leave it also if you don't have any example. Okay,
Okay.
it is good if you can add an example, but if you think that you are making an example that is not relevant to the above statements, leave it. It's okay. Okay,
Okay.
then comes secondly, if you have a second idea. So firstly will only
Okay.
come if there is a second idea. If you're writing, see, if you're writing just only one idea, like understanding
Yeah.
and communication, then I insist that you should have an example.
Okay.
Okay, but if you're not having like this thing, then I would say it's okay even if you can go without it. Okay.
Okay.
Then comes secondly. So secondly is something that will come only if there is a firstly. Okay, otherwise no need of secondly. So if you are having a
Okay.
secondly, then you will write a statement of idea. Okay, so that will
Okay.
explain might be like economic growth, business growth on a global basis, right? And then you write
Yeah.
besides and add the explanation to it.
Okay.
Okay with that, right? Then you can go with on
Yeah.
the other hand, if it is a contradiction or on the contrary, like the way you use in your essay, you can go
Yeah.
with regards to. Now, what is the with regards to? What are the cases when the with regards to come into action when the essay is not a positive, negative, or agree, disagree, or advantage, disadvantage? What if it is like a cause solution? So you can say with regard to solutions. So examiner will understand now you're going the solutions, and you can start this one with one evident reason. So examiner will understand here you are giving reasons and here you are going to give the solution,
Okay.
right? Then you write about the
Yeah.
topic, like you will here mention for your particular essay it is disadvantages, right? Now
Yes.
comes initially, now you will talk about loss of culture. Then to put it another way, you explain how loss of culture is happening. Then for instance, you can give an example. If you don't have an example, you can leave it. Then comes finally,
Okay.
you again state your idea, that is loss of tourism. Then comes
Okay.
furthermore, and you develop it, you tell it how loss of tourism, or you can give like explanation on how tourism will lead to the nation not having any money or something, right? Or you can say
Yeah.
like it could be hazardous for those nations who are economically depending on it. And for example, you can give like countries like this Malaysia, Thailand, Maldives, they totally depend on tourism, and if there will be no tourists, these countries could be devastating for the countries economically, right?
Yeah.
So these type of examples, you can pick up some real life example. You don't need to always have a survey or something. You can have like some countries, if it is not about countries, if it is about like national, you can say some tourist places like this and this, might be Shimla or something. uh, Not for this essay because it was on a global level, but some, if there
Yeah.
is some essay on a local level, you can say they rely on tourism, and if government cut off the tourism, then it could be a real problem for these states, these cities, right? Because in India also
Yes.
there are many cities who are relying on tourism, like
On
hill
the tourism.
stations.
Yeah.
So they can be, it
Yes.
could be economically devastating for them. So you can mention like that.
Okay.
And the conclusion, right? Like you wrote it right, so like there's a summary
Yeah.
line, a suggestion, and a future
And the
statement.
suggestion and the future statement. Yes.
Only the suggestion will not come for cause solution essay. Okay,
Okay.
I will mention here not for solution essay. Why? Because you can write
Yeah.
if people, or might be government, and then whatever the
Yeah.
situations will soon improve or something like that.
Okay.
Okay, you can like just create a new one as per your essay.
Okay.
I'm just giving you an idea here. Okay with this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So you got the idea like how your essay could be formatted.
Yes.
Okay, can you take a screenshot here?
Yeah. I take it.
Okay, great. Okay, let us go on with your last letter. Yes, here it is already, so no need to pause. Okay, this is the one like staying overseas and that photographs one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
From
That was
yesterday.
we did last. Yeah.
Okay, dear Tom and Peter, I have been non-stop since I got back. Good. So I thought I would just drop a quick line. Okay, you don't need to have a lot of dots here. You can simply have, put a single dot. Okay, like
Okay.
although it was there in the example, but you can use a single dot. So I just
Okay.
received the photographs of the last vacation trip that we have been spent together in Quebec. That we spent, not required have been. It's kind of going wrong with the sentence otherwise. I would say just
Okay.
read it. Okay, like I can feel that you know English. Okay, like you can figure out whether the sentence is wrong or not. The only thing is you don't reread it, right? Like before sending it to me.
Yeah.
So trust me, if examiner will find the mistakes, they are going to cost you bands, right? So if you do it
Yes.
for the examiner, and then examiner will be restless to find mistakes in there, right? So just make it
Yes.
restless and just try figure out all the mistakes by yourself the maximum you can. And at least for the line constructions you can check on that, because that way you can improve the scores in the grammar. Like
Okay.
25% weightage is there for the grammar out
Yeah.
of 9. Okay, so that goes to
Okay.
something around, I guess, 2 or 2.5 bands. So you need to
Okay.
score full in that.
Okay.
Okay, we spent together in Quebec. Thanks a lot for the lovely photos, and we all look stunning in photographs. Okay, all the moments I spent with you are unforgettable. Thanks to Tom, especially who arranged this wonderful journey. Okay, great. Sorry, I didn't get time to write earlier because I had a lot of paperwork to sort out. Good. Moreover, my wife starts the work of renovation to flourish the house. So I was quite busy. So it needs to be in past tense, right? Like my wife started the work.
Started. Yeah.
So you need to
Work of
make sure like your things
yes.
are in the past, okay?
Yes. Yes.
I would like to invite all of you to my home in next month because I will get bank holidays from my work. If you all will come, it would be a lovely get together. And we now see why the W became big. Suddenly, out of the blue, you can see a W is in a capitalized form, right?
Yeah.
So try avoiding that.
Okay.
Then we all will have a great fun. I hope to hear from you soon. Best wishes, Johnson. Okay, otherwise you can go with this. It is a good one, and you can increase on the content. I would say here and here. There were a lot of things that you could have mentioned. Like you have
Yeah. So,
mentioned,
but
yeah.
then its word limit is increased, so that's why I
It's
didn't add
okay.
anything
What
else.
is the word limit for letters?
It's yeah.
Yeah, I'm asking like what is the word limit?
Just give me 1 second.
No need to check for this one. Otherwise, like as per IELTS instruction, what is the word
It,
limit?
it, it's 150 words.
That is the minimum limit.
Yeah,
Like it is
but
like at least 150. You can go 170, you can go 180, and you can go 190, you can go 200. Like there is no upper limit there. You don't obviously you don't need to write a very long letter that is costing around 250 or something. But if you are writing 210, 25 or 190, nobody is going to like make it a fuss over there that why the letter is big.
like the ma'am said, if I will go like beyond like 160 words, then they will cut my band
No,
score.
no, 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 there's nothing like that. Trust
So
me,
that's why
I
I'm not.
had a personal experience with a student who kind of don't do it, but he kind of wrote 420 words in the essay and he scored 7.5 bands in writing. I believe it could be like, he must have scored 8.5 bands, and because he wrote a too long essay, they might have did some point 0.5 deduction, or he could got 8, but still he was at 7.5, right? So if you are
Yeah.
writing a 350 words essay, I believe it is acceptable because there is no upper limits. Okay, like IELTS never told. Obviously, if you're writing very long thing like 400, 450, they are going to. But like I believe like students should go like to 180 or 200, like go like that because you are having very less words and you have to show them you are very good in English.
Okay.
So write more lines only if it is relevant. Like, don't try to make it like force it to 190 or force it to 200.
Yeah.
Just make it natural, and then if you feel like, oh my god, I went to 230, so just reread it and find out if there is any of one line that you feel it's irrelevant and you can come down to 210 or 200. So that is also fine.
Okay.
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 So I
Okay.
would even say like to scoring more, you kind of write more. Like go for 310 or 320 in essay, and go
Okay.
for letters like 180 to 200. Okay,
Okay.
increase the content so that examiner can have enough things. But make sure if
Yeah.
you are writing more, so there is like a chances of errors also more.
Yes.
Okay, so reread it. Like always have the time to read it once again and then submit. Trust
Okay.
me, there are many silly mistakes that you can counter there and then, but if examiner will find out, you get heavy penalties.
Yeah.
Okay with that, right?
I'll take care of it. Yeah.
Okay. You went with rubrics, like you have been what we say. Um Listening and reading the things are okay. Like either you are correct or either you are wrong, right?
Yeah.
But in
Yeah.
speaking and in writing, it is a problem because you can be correct and you can be wrong also. right? Like there is
Okay.
no, there
Yeah.
could be one paragraph going wrong and another paragraph going right, so it's kind of a messy thing to deal with, right? Like, and then there will be
Yeah.
different teacher. For me your essay could be 7 bands, but for another teacher it could be 6 bands, right?
Okay.
To eradicate this, they defined a set of rules called rubrics or band descriptors. Okay, so
Okay.
we as a teacher get training on that, like how to score it. And we also, like, it is like, global version, it's a public version, so IELTS guys are also using it. Like, it is followed by
Okay.
British Council, IDB, and it is given by University of Cambridge. So it is freely
Okay.
available on internet. You can just write this line and you can get this PDF. Okay, so
Okay.
if you go to this thing and you will see, like, specifically, supposing we are targeting 7 bands. Okay, so there are
Yeah.
4 points on which you are being given bands, that is task achievement, cohesion, coherence, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy, each making 25%, right?
Okay.
And you are given bands like this, like supposing I feel in task achievement you scored might be 6 band or 7. Cohesion, coherence, not good, I'll give you 6. Lexical, I give you
Okay.
7, and grammatical range accuracy I'm giving you 6. So it is like 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 whole divided by 4. So that comes 6.5.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
then whole divided by 4, like taking an average of it or mean. So that becomes
Yeah.
6.5. Okay with that, right? Now see the another
Yes.
thing, like what are these, to make it like explain it better, like think of it like a college fashion show. Okay, like a fashion show is happening
Okay.
in a college. Now everyone is dressed good, right? But there are three
Yeah.
examiners or three judges, and they want to judge like who is the best person, who is more, energetic and something. So they will have a
Yeah.
set of sheet in which it will be written, for dressing style give marks out of 10, for making eye
Yeah.
contacts with the audience, for walking style. You got it? So similar
Yeah.
is for
Yeah.
the writing. Now see, if you see very carefully, like what is written in 7 bands.
Address all the points
Yeah,
of the task.
address all the parts of the task. So you need to address everything, and this is more of
Yeah.
including starting with a paraphrasing, right? Then you have to present
Yes.
a clear position, that is your thesis. You, in the thesis only,
This
you
is yeah.
tell everything to the examiner, right? Then coming
Yeah.
on to presents, that is a statement of idea. Extends, that is a development of idea. And then you support the main idea with an example. So it, there is nowhere written it is like example. It could be with example, it could be without example.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the main thing. Then
Okay.
there is a tendency to overgeneralize. That is something for the teachers to understand and feel, like if it is happening, then the essay will score like 7. If it is not happening, it could go 9. Okay, then comes
Okay.
logically organizes the information. That is the reason I gave you that, format, which was having statement,
Yeah.
development, and then support. And there should be a logic, like it should not be like two ideas you are revealing in one sentence. In the next sentence is going with the first idea, the next sentence is going with the second idea, right? It will be like first
Yeah.
idea, then explanation of idea, then support of the idea, then second idea, then explanation. It should be some logic behind it. Okay,
Okay.
then using a
Yes.
range of cohesive devices. That is why these cohesive devices are nothing but connectors. That is why I insist on having to commence with, then whenever you are starting a new sentence, there should be some connector, like what the sentence is doing. If the sentence is telling the new idea, then tell it like
Okay.
firstly it's a new idea, because then if it is you are
Yeah.
explaining it, then write to put it another way, or to like another way to say, in other words. Then if you are using an example, you can write as an
As an
illustration to
illustration.
illustrate, for example, something like that, right?
Okay.
Even if you are not explaining it, but you are telling some result of it, you can write consequently. Okay,
Okay.
then presents a clear central topic. They don't want a list of ideas, they want a central topic within each paragraph. You should be talking about some, like it should not be like, if English is made global, then tourism will, there will be loss of tourism, culture will go, people will forget the local languages, regional languages will vanish out. They
Yeah.
don't want a list. Okay, they want a central topic. So even if you are having
Okay.
5 ideas, pick up the strongest idea on which you can write the best, and you create a central
Okay.
topic. You mention the idea, you explain, you support. Like this, you need to follow. Okay.
Yeah. In my last exam, I didn't support my idea. I just put all the ideas. Like in one paragraph, I put two ideas. No sporting
Lines
uh,
or something, right?
no sporting lines, and so that's why I got like 5.5s.
So that might be the thing where the things went wrong, right? Then uses a
Yeah.
sufficient range of vocabulary. So that is
Okay.
something like, if you're writing negative ones, then second time you write it a bad impact, third time you can write detrimental impact. Like always you for one single things, the common things you should know 3 or 4 different vocab for that, like bad, negative, detrimental, devastating, like
Incremental
like that you need to
fasting.
have. Okay.
Okay.
And then use some less common lexical items. So lexical resource is nothing but vocabulary only. Okay. So
Okay.
there should be some flexibility, means you should not be repeating the same line again. Like one time you're writing however, second time you write nevertheless, third time you write nonetheless. First time you're
Okay.
writing while, second time you make a sentence with although, third time you make a sentence with even though.
Okay.
Okay, so these are some of the things. Then you may produce occasional errors in the word choice. So if there is some error or something, you land it on 7. If things are perfect, you go on 9. Okay.
Okay.
Then uses a variety of complex structure. Now see, over here it is like mix of simple and complex sentences, right?
Yeah.
But over for scoring 7 bands in grammar, you need to have a variety of. That is the reason I told you to include if sentences, because if are a type
Yes.
of conditional complex sentences. Okay, and when you are
Okay.
using while, although, even though, these are like subordinate complex sentences. You are including
Okay.
hence. You are making a complex sentence. So every of the thing. That's why I was saying do not make any sentence with and. So that is going with this
Okay.
one. So you will definitely score 6. But if you're not making and but using if or using different like despite, in spite of, these type of sentences, so you will make always a complex sentence. Okay,
Okay.
I'll try and brief you on a complex sentence, but I'll try to do it on a last day to give you a brief on that. Otherwise, like, you may spoil your writing. Like,
Yeah.
if I'll give you today and you'll try to make it into the essays. Okay, so I'll try to give you a
Okay.
little glimpse on how complex structures work.
Yeah.
Then produces frequent error-free sentences. Yes, your sentences should be error-free. So you make
Okay.
sure you read them in a good way. Okay. Then has a good
Yeah.
control over the grammar and punctuation. You should know that where a comma needs to come, where a dash needs to come. So even if you're working with comma, you should know. See, I'll give you an example here. You'll get it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm making a Hindi line over here. See. Okay, so we have ruko mat jao. Okay,
Yeah.
so what happens is usually students, they see a very big line and then they make a estimate that I'll divide the line in half and then put a comma. Okay, so supposing one student put a comma here, second student put a comma here. Okay, see the difference
Yeah.
of the line now. Ruko means stop, mat
Yeah.
jao, don't
Mat
go.
jao.
It means you want the person to
Yeah.
stay. Ruko mat, don't
Yes.
stop, jao, go. See how the line is
Yes.
having a difference just because of a comma.
Yeah.
You got the point, right? So
Yes.
making
Yes.
putting a comma at a wrong place could sometimes really spoil the line.
Okay.
Okay, so whatever
Yep.
I'm saying to you, I'm just keeping these points in mind,
Okay.
because these are the points examiner is going to refer while checking your sheets. And wait, can you take a screenshot if you want? Like,
Yeah.
done, right?
Yes. It's
Okay,
done,
great.
sir.
I'll show you the standard sample sheet that usually the students who sit for an offline exam get. Okay,
Yep.
and if you see, like, nobody notices this. It is written for official use only. Can you see this, right?
Yes.
One thing to get from here is 2 examiners are going to check your sheet.
Okay.
Can you see task response, cohesion, coherence, lexical resources, and grammatical range and accuracy?
Okay.
Same way here, right? So it is something
Yeah.
the examiner is going to score like 7, cohesion, coherence 6. It is not always same, I'm just giving an example. They're going to fill it
Yeah.
like this. Now, if you are under length, there is no penalty for over length. Can you see anything written over length? Under length means less than 150,
Less
and for
than.
essay it's like less than 250, right? So if it is under length,
Yeah.
they're going to tick mark this. They're going to write the words. If it is less, something like if
Okay.
it is might be from 250, it is like 220. Then they're going to
220.
give
Yeah.
the penalty, like might be 0.5 bands.
Okay.
Then if you are going off topic, you are going to get a penalty for that. So if there is off
Okay.
topic, they can give you 0.5 or 1 depending upon them. Memorized. You remember I told you not to write any starting line like music is
Yeah.
the
No
heart of
hookup
the soul.
lines.
Yeah. If you're writing any
Yes, sir.
of the hookup line, they are going to consider it memorized. Even if many students they start in this contemporary world of modernization, and supposing there is
Yeah.
a essay topic on like nowadays there's a problem of beggars. Some people believe that like government should do something about it. Others think it is a responsibility of people. And now a student is starting in this contemporary modern world of science and technology. Beggars are there. So like
Okay.
is science and technology anything have to do from a beggar, right? So that
Okay.
becomes wrong. Examiner understand
Yeah.
it's a memorized phrase. They can give you 1, 0.5 depend on how much memorized the things were. And illegible
Okay.
means it is not there in the online one. Illegible means handwriting is not clear.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the deductions that a student can get. So sometimes if a student is scoring like 7.5, they can
Yeah.
go like then 6.5, 7.5, they can then get deductions also. Because if
Okay.
if anything is not there, they will simply cross the parts, and whatever bands you are
Okay.
getting here, you can get that.
Okay.
Okay, so that's these things that I
Yeah.
just told you are real, and it is there. Okay, like task
Okay.
response, cohesion, coherence, these all.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna take a screenshot or something, or I can erase?
Yeah, you can erase it, sir. I did with the screenshot. So,
Okay, cool. With this essay, I believe your BP1 and BP2 will be fine from now onward.
okay.
Okay, can you see the question, right? Some people think that planting trees in open spaces in cities and towns is more important than building houses. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay,
Yeah.
so what is the first step that you do in the essay? Like, supposing you're sitting in the IELTS exam, you got the essay, what you will do?
I'll think about first about the introduction, then its points,
Okay,
like the planning first.
yes, the first thing is the planning. What you are going to plan?
Yeah.
You are
Plan
going to
five
plan.
minutes.
First, you decide what is the question about. It is about to what extent you agree, disagree, right?
Yeah.
So, paraphrasing thesis is everything the after work. Okay, it is the aftermath.
Okay.
So, you are
Okay.
going to list down all the ideas that you are going for agree and you are going for
Okay.
disagree. Now, this thing is a very fast process. It should happen within 1 or 2 minutes. You cannot waste time on it. So, you can write in a rough ideas. Okay,
Okay.
then you will find out that I am having more. Supposing you got 6 ideas for agree but only 2 ideas for disagree, so you can
Okay.
decide I really want to write these. So you can decide, okay, I will write 2 paragraphs on agree and 1 on disagree. That becomes an 80-20 essay.
Okay.
Okay, or there could be the another way around. You got only might be 3 ideas for agree and 2 ideas for disagree, and you might feel okay, I can skip this idea, not very strong one. I will make 1 paragraph on agree, 1 on disagree. That is where you choose to go 50-50. Why I'm
Okay.
deciding that? Because it is because of the extent word. Or if the extent was not written, I see 2 ideas for disagree, 6 for agree. Okay, I'll write the essay in full agreement with 2 paragraphs.
Okay.
This is the way you decide,
Like,
right?
yeah.
Then what to do with these ideas and how to make it into the sentences, I'll teach you today.
Okay.
Okay, so at first I'm going to make you see some of the students this like statements, the paraphrasing
Okay.
one or something. Like if you were there for with me like from the starting, like I usually take students for almost 2 months because I believe they need time to reach the 7 band and they need a lot of
Yeah.
practice. So I would have like,
Yes.
I really go slow in those classes and I tell them to, okay, paraphrase, we'll wait for 5 minutes, and then they paraphrase, they send it on a chat and we discuss that. Okay, so I'm skipping
Okay.
that part, and I believe you already know paraphrasing also, right? So no need of that spoon
Mm,
feeding, but still see the examples. First, see the question.
okay.
Some people think that planting trees in open spaces in cities and town is more important than building houses. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now see, planting trees in unlocked spaces in cities and towns play a vital role as compared to building houses as thought by few individuals. One thing, good start with the ing, and you can put the few
Okay.
individuals or something at the last, right? You remember like never start with
Yeah.
some people.
Yeah.
Then, in my opinion, it is always beneficial to plant trees in urban areas, but residential area is also essential to accommodate people. So now this is the way opinion is written. It is beneficial to plant trees. Like you can write it as, there are plus points to plant trees. It is beneficial. So when you are writing agree, you don't need to say that I agree that we need to plant trees. You can say like, if you're going to write the benefits
It's
of it, you can
beneficial to
write,
increase.
and then you can
Yeah.
have residential areas are also essential to accommodate people. So why building
Accommodate
houses is
people.
important. And you remember, try to avoid but. You either start with while it is
Yeah.
always beneficial, or you can use a however or nevertheless or nonetheless. Okay,
Okay.
now see the
Like
second.
how
Yep.
how to use like sir, start with while and then use
No, no,
comma
no, either you, yes, while, and just erasing but here and putting a comma.
while it is always
Beneficial to
okay.
plant trees in urban areas, comma, residential areas is also essential to accommodate people.
Accommodate people.
You can use although, you can use even though also, one and the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, so always try whenever your opinion is in the like
Okay.
a contradiction form, always try to use either while or although or even though, because it will make it into a complex sentence. But is making it a
Okay.
coordinate sentence. Okay, sorry, compound sentence.
Okay.
Okay, so and we just read we need a lot of complex structures and different also.
Okay.
Okay, so while, although, like you can even start your paraphrasing also with a while, and then you can use a although here.
Yeah.
Got the point, right? Sometimes the
Yeah.
paraphrasing is also like, if you see, this is a simple
Starting with the while.
sentence compound with a and sentence, but you can start with a while.
Yeah.
While planting trees in open spaces in the cities is
Mhm.
beneficial for some people, comma, others feel
Yeah.
it is important for,
Others feel that it is unimportant.
yeah, like
It's
vital,
not
then different words you
important
can
or
use.
yeah.
Now see the second one, the open spaces in cities and towns should be planted by trees is more essential than constructing houses as believed by. So it's almost the same. You can even start with constructing houses because it's the ing word. Then in my
Yeah.
opinion, while I admit trees are very important for environment, housing is basic necessity for every human being. So it means the
Okay.
importance of trees is going to be there in the first paragraph, and housing is a basic necessity. Some points will be there on the second paragraph.
Okay.
Okay, or there could be another way of writing thesis. In my opinion, while I believe planting tree has numerous benefits, there is need to construct more houses to cope up with increasing population. So now this student is having some ideas on increasing population, so he's going to mention that in the second paragraph, and numerous benefits of
Yeah.
trees will be there in the first. Okay,
Okay.
Now, I'm not going to make you see the full-fledged essay. I'm going to make you see the ideas and I'll tell you how to turn it into a paragraph. Okay? Supposing you listed
Okay.
down your ideas. Now, the ideas listed over here are in full sentences in a very good shape, but the ones you will be writing will be just bullet points. Okay?
Okay.
Now, see, these are in full-fledged sentences ready to use in a paragraph, but yours will be bullet points. Now see what are the ideas, reasons for using city space for trees. Trees and green areas create a peaceful living environment which promotes a better learning standard and better mental health. Then trees produce oxygen that can counteract, means balance, against heavy pollution in cities and create a better quality of air. Then heat in the cities can be better controlled by having more trees which filter the sun's heat and offer shade. This ultimately lowers the temperature. Or the idea could be planting more trees in urban areas brings nature into cities, which is beneficial to people without access to rural areas. Then there could be noise levels can also be reduced by planting trees, which act as a buffer against sound. What is a buffer? It diminishes the effect of something. Okay,
Okay.
so that becomes a buffer.
Buffer.
Then there could be like planting more trees
Okay.
can make the living environment more pleasant, which is thought to reduce crime to some extent. Then trees encourage people to enjoy their neighborhood and be more active, which deters means discourage. Petty crime means small crimes.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
trees offer urban wildlife a better environment to live in and play a part in the ecosystem of a city. Okay, so see
Okay.
how you can turn it into ideas. To commence with,
Yeah.
reasons for using city space for trees, comma, there are plethora of benefits. Okay, then you can choose like firstly here, then in other words here, then to illustrate here, secondly here, and then before starting the next line besides here. Can you see now it is in the format? Or
Yeah.
like one of the other student, he told like, sir, I want to go with this one as firstly and everything. So see, firstly, trees and green areas create a peaceful living environment. So your idea is like having more trees means peaceful environment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a second. Okay.
Yeah.
Then in other words, trees produce oxygen which can counteract. Then as an illustration, then you can give the example of heat also. Then second idea, they make the living environment more pleasant. And besides, you are adding information that it will also discourage the petty crime. Rest of the ideas you can ignore.
Okay.
Got it? Like the starting line from here, and there could be the arranging of paragraphs like this.
Yeah.
So you might not write these lines in full. You might initially write like peaceful living environment,
Environment and
heavy
trees.
pollution lessing, right? Heat in the cities can be controlled, and then you will have like they make it second idea could be more pleasant, and they
Okay.
also encourage be more active and deter petty crime. So you can arrange like this also.
Okay.
Got the points, right?
Yeah. Sir, can you show me the first slide, please?
This one.
So I can take. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
I want to take the screenshot. Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, this one also done.
Yes, sir. It's done.
Okay, now see over here, reasons for using city space for housing. Now that these are the ideas for the side of the housing, like why houses should be constructed. Like lack of affordable housing can lead to rising crime rates. Thus, by having more housing, there are more opportunities for everyone to get housing. Without more housing, a city is unable to grow, develop, which is essential in a world with increasing population. Then housing is also essential for any country which is hoping to develop its economy, as workers must have access to affordable homes. Okay, so these points of increasing population can go with the thesis of increasing population, right? Then shelter
Yeah.
is a basic requirement for life. So these point can go more in the basic necessity. Like whoever is writing in a thesis like basic necessity, accommodation is a
Yeah.
basic necessity, will go with this. Whoever is having the more points on increasing population can go with these ideas, right? Then
Okay.
urban space is limited and priority should be given to shelter rather than creating pleasant parks. So planting trees, they are considering like present past, so you can go with that. Without enough homes, people can become homeless, which can lead to alcoholism, drugs, slums can develop, which can be detrimental to any country. Okay,
Okay.
so these ideas could be rearranged in this form. On the other hand, there are reasons for using city space for housing. So initially, housing is essential because, like, this affordable homes. Another way to say urban space is limited, priority should be given to shelter, for example, or for instance, and then you can give the examples of the crime. If everyone is not getting enough homes, so they can be indulged in crime. Finally, lack of affordable can increasing crime rates, having more housing, this, and you are done. You already
Okay.
know how to write an
Uh,
introduction, you know how to write a conclusion, and you have the
yeah.
ideas in the format. Now you understand
That
how
is
your
right.
paragraphs can be good. Can you
So
try,
like
like,
first,
yeah, please, 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 sorry, ask.
uh, first, first I have to write like initially, then the first line, and another way to say like
If you
divide
will
the
refer,
idea in this line.
yes, 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 yes. If you will refer to the format, it will be written like, first initially will come, then another way to say will come, then for
Okay,
instance will
then for
come, then
instance,
finally will come.
finally is come.
Okay,
Okay.
when you will refer to the format that I gave you, so things are organized in this way, like arranged only, like initially always comes first and finally will be the last idea of the essay.
Last, yeah.
Okay, the same way if you will go here. So although I have arranged in chronological order, but always in the format, firstly will be there, then in other words, then as an illustration, then secondly, now
Secondly.
this. Now if you will use all the information the same way as I did, it will construct an essay that could be 320 or 350 words also. So sometimes in the real life situation, you might not be able to make an illustration, so you don't do that. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay only if you are writing a secondly.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you're not writing a secondly, then you try to have it in, otherwise your paragraph will be very small and very less, and
Yeah.